welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to do like a in-depth full review about this camera testing compared to this is the new and latest Apple iPhone XS Max versus Samsung S8 Plus. So we're gonna do some tests by just walking around the community, maybe do some little bit of running and longboard skateboard riding real quick to do the tests. As you can see, I got my selfie sticks. So I'm going to test out the front camera, rear camera, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do the slow motion. It's kind of getting hot right now, so we'll see. Alright, so stay tuned. Let's go out there and then do some testing for you guys. We're in the camera testing right now. Alright, so we are walking around the neighborhood right now to do like rear camera testing. Right now, just walking around the sidewalk. So I'm not sure the camera is going to pick up nicely or what. So we're doing the camera testing right now. Alright, let's do some front-facing camera test real quick. I'm going to pause it right now and see. Here's my front-facing camera to do some testing right now. Ooh, the sun is bright today. So the Samsung has a wider angle. As you can see my Disneyland t-shirt right here. And then on the Apple iPhone XS, you cannot see it unless I drag it out all the way out there. I'm gonna check out the color testing right now. This is the 1x zoom, and then this is the 2x zoom. Unfortunately, with the Samsung, I need to pinch and zoom in real quick to show you guys the 2x. So this is a 2x zoom. So I'm going to do some running real quick. Hopefully I'm not going to drop the phone. So right now I'm running right now, jogging. So I'm gonna shine it against the sun. iPhone's supposed to be have a better against the sun right now. And record the sky. There's some cloud over there. See if you guys could tell any difference. There's a bus coming up. See real quick. So I'm going to use the front-facing camera right now to extend it all the way on my selfie stick. So this is with the selfie stick, extend it all the way out there. As you see, iPhone XS still cannot see my t-shirt that much until I tilt it all the way up or in an angle. Alright, so we are now back to the rear camera testing right now. I think I'm gonna go home and get the skateboard and running around real quick to test out for you guys when it's on the longboard skateboard on the SpaceX. So there's the cloud right there. Do some running. So if you mount this on the DJI Osmo Mobile, it might be smoother, so it won't shake that much. So let's film it against the sun. Give you guys some shot about this iPhone XS dynamic shot. Okay, I'm gonna zoom into the playground real quick. The iPhone XS Max is a 6 times zoom. And then the Galaxy S8 Plus has a 8 times zoom. So I'm not sure if you guys can see the difference. And this is the telephoto zoom 2 times compared to the Galaxy S8 Plus. There is your cloud again. Alright, so I'm gonna take this SpaceX longboard to go test out for you guys real quick. And then after that, we should conclude our video and camera testing for the front facing and then the rear, and also for the telephoto zoom. I'm not sure if I want to do the slow motion, so we'll see. Okay. All right, let's go get ready. Now this is show you guys that I skate, okay? Some of you guys are questioning, oh, the is gay. Oh no. Represent. Asian know how to skate. Here is a slow motion test. Here is a slow motion test. We'll conclude our today's test. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification or drop any comments on below. Alright? Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always. Peace.